All right, let's go ahead and dance it out. Again, this is We Went by Randy Hathor.
Pontiac with a pocket of cash, foot on the gas, ready and throwing up a little dust like a pickup truck does in the mud, but ain't nobody slowing us down right now. She said, I need a little something with some get up and go, and nobody knows how to get me going quite like you do when you're doing the things that you do. Wanna give this sleepy podunk town something to talk about. We will tell from some blue lights chasing, cut a path through the corn off County Road 44. Tore up a fence, jumping a ditch, felt so good, we didn't want it to end, so we went looking for a dive just to kill some time, let the heat cool off. We could do with some dancing, didn't take long, just a couple of songs, you know it's last call when the law comes walking in. So we will tell from some blue lights chasing, cut a path through the corn off County Road 44. Tore up a fence, jumping a ditch, felt so good, didn't want to end, so we went rocking to the radio, fogging up the windows, headlights off in a spot nobody else does. Some blue lights chasing, cut a path through the corn off County Road 44. Tore up a fence, jumping the ditch, felt so good, didn't want to with a pocket of cash, foot on the gas, ready and throwing up a little dust like a pickup truck does in the mud, but ain't nobody slowing us down right now.